Hello everyone and welcome to this video on how to earn money through video editing. Video editing is a lucrative career choice, especially in the digital age where videos are the preferred medium for storytelling and marketing. Video editors are in high demand, and there are a variety of ways to monetize your skills. In this video, we'll explore some of the most popular methods for earning money as a video editor. The first and most obvious way to earn money as a video editor is through YouTube. You can edit videos for YouTubers who need help with post-production. Many YouTubers are not skilled in editing their own videos, and they're willing to pay for someone who is. Another way to earn money as a video editor is through freelance websites. There are many websites that allow you to create a profile and bid on video editing jobs. Some popular websites include Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr. If you have a particular expertise in video editing, you can also teach others. You can conduct video editing workshops and charge a fee for your services. There are many people who are interested in learning how to edit videos, and they're willing to pay for someone who can teach them. Finally, you can also work for a video editing agency. These agencies often work with businesses and organizations to create marketing videos. They need skilled video editors who can create compelling videos that meet their clients' needs. So there you have it, 4 ways to earn money as a video editor. Whether you're editing videos for YouTube, freelancing, teaching others, or working for an agency, there are plenty of opportunities to monetize your skills. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.